Let me take this privilege to welcome on stage Vandna Shahi ma'am, National Awardee, to please come on stage and share her values and insights.
Thank you so much, and very, very good morning to all of you. First of all, thank you so much, Time2Grow, and meet sir, Shashi ma'am especially, for inviting me here and also giving me this opportunity to share something with you. From this platform, which is a very, very important platform because leaders from the region, I would say Patiala, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, then the Tri-City, they are here. I would just like to tell you all the national education policy, which we have been listening, which we have been learning, which we have been in fact implementing for the past 2 years now, is a wonderful document, but should not remain the document, has to come to the classroom, because it's not, it should come. This experiential learning, storytelling, interdisciplinary projects, art integration, it should not remain, these should not remain the cliche words only. They have to come to the classroom. They have to be the DNA of our pedagogical practices now, because it's high time. We all know that the world has changed and has been actually changing at a very, very fast pace. To that extent, like people say that we are going to, very soon we are going to have the chips, the nano robots, which would fit in our brain. And the way we are surfing the Google, we are surfing the mobile phones, smartphones, we'll be doing it directly from our brains. So where would the assessment go? The kind of assessment that we are taking. So we need to change. And all these pedagogical practices which I'm talking about are student central. We have to shift from the teacher center to student center, as just now Kuldeep sir also very specifically mentioned that students' learning is the most important thing. That's where we have to move. CCE was also excellent. Everybody knows it. But we failed that. We all know that it had not gone the other way. It was because of us, I would say, mainly because of the principals, that we could not handle. And everyone knows it, that principal, a single person as a leader, has 25% impact on the school's performance. So a huge duty we have to perform. I just give you one example. Sir is sitting here, he knows it better. How are the practices going on in West? I know about one of my friend's daughter in Spain. She was doing masters in architect. In the last semester, I think last 6 months, there was 3 groups who had to make some structure because it was architect. They were not able to make it. They tried very hard, and there it is not like market se ban ke aa jayega, shop se mil jayega. They have to actually make it. They were supposed to make it. They could not do it. The entire class was detained. Do we do it? Detained means doesn't matter. They were given 3 more months to make it, and finally they could do it. And that's what is called as competency-based education. Unless you are not competent, you cannot go to the next grade, because otherwise this deficit will keep piling up, and the day the child passes out from the school after class 10 or after class 12, the kind of deficit he would be carrying with him will not be, he will not be able to, in any of the ways, be successful anywhere, whichever field they want to go. So my request to all my fellow principals here, my friends here, that it's high time that we wake up, we become very vibrant, very energetic, we become the pedagogical leaders actually in the school, and start seeing the teaching and learning practices in the school personally. And thank you so much, and once again, thanks to Time2Grow, and good luck, because such kind of platforms are very, very important. 21st century skills, we know that collaboration, networking, it is extremely important, because sharing of the practices, sharing of the best practices makes the practices the best test. That is the teenagers' language these days. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.